Hi, this is Cynthia, and this is Craig Bell, Cynthia Mitchell, and Allison Morrow's presentation on rich feature analysis. For our rich feature analysis, we chose the research questions, how do students describe writing, and how does their description change after the Writing About Writing curriculum? In an effort to find some answers to these questions, we followed Barton's 6 steps. The first step being selecting an initial corpus that is of intrinsic interest to the audience. We chose to work with data Allison had collected at the beginning of the semester with her first 2 classes of first-year composition students. The 2 assignments were a free write on what do you think good writing is and answers to a reflection discussion question on how has your view of writing changed since reading the introduction to Writing About Writing. This corpus was interesting to us because we hoped it would reveal ways that students' perceptions about writing changed through the Writing About Writing curriculum. We were also hoping to find particular words that would have clearly transferred from the curriculum and ways that students' perceptions had changed. Step 2 was identifying salient patterns, usually by scanning text holistically. What we found by simply scanning the text ourselves was a pattern of students defining writing using descriptive language. Beyond this, we also noticed that the structure of their sentences changed between the 2 assignments. The third step is determining interestingness. Using rich feature analysis is interesting to the transfer community because it is not a commonly employed methodology in this community. But by using rich feature analysis, we can show very specific ways that students may be transferring vocabulary and concepts from the Writing About Writing curriculum. In addition, if students' perceptions of what writing is enables writing-related transfer, then a rich feature analysis showing a change in their perceptions of transfer could reveal important data in support of transfer of the Writing About Writing curriculum. Step 4 is selecting a study corpus and sampling. We used AntComp to look for descriptor words inside the samples from the 2 assignments. Step 5 is verifying the pattern. We found that writing is, followed by some sort of definition, happened 57 times out of 43 samples of student writing. We each coded the data to show how students were describing writing and continuously shared our thoughts over email. We also found that students first thought of writing as more of a creative process that involves expression, but after reading the introduction to Writing About Writing, they were able to use the language they read about to describe what writing is in their own words. For example, students generally described good writing as interesting, entertaining, and expressive before the Writing About Writing introduction, but described it as concise and effective given its particular situation, much more so after the Writing About Writing introduction. Step 6 is developing a functional rhetorical analysis. Our data reveals that after reading Writing About Writing, students' perception of writing changed. This shows that transfer was enabled because students used concept from Writing About Writing and their perceptions changed in a way that would enable writing-related transfer. We truly enjoyed working together on our first rich feature analysis attempt, and we really enjoyed our data. This could be really useful as a tool to add to other qualitative research methods.